So, you know how some people have that perfect cozy study session? A rainy day, a cup of tea, a clean notebook. It's calm, it's comforting. But let's be honest, sometimes cozy doesn't get you to where you want to be. What if I told you that the secret to unlocking that next level of focus isn't about being calm? It's about competition. Right now, at this very second, someone else is studying like their life depends on it. They're competing for the same spot, the same grade, the same future you've been dreaming of. And no, this isn't unrealistic. There's a science, a psychology, and a strategy behind it. So let's break it down step by step. Meet your rival, the secret character in your success story. Here's the plot twist. The world isn't always a quiet library. Sometimes it's an arena. We see this in the stories we love, the ones that feel more real than anything. Think of the suffocating pressure in Sky Castle, where every grade is a battle. Or the cold, calculated ambition in The Glory, where every move is a step towards winning. This is the energy we're talking about. It's not about making enemies. It's about acknowledging that someone out there wants what you want, and they are not waiting for you to feel motivated. Your rival isn't a villain. They are a character in your story. They are a reflection of your own ambition. They are the benchmark. When you feel lazy, they become the reason you can't afford to stay comfortable. This is the moment pressure transforms into your greatest fuel. So what do? Do you let that pressure crush you? No. You embrace it. You channel it. This is the moment a character looks in the mirror and decides they will not be defeated. This is where their rivalry transforms from a source of stress into their greatest source of fuel. We see this in a drama like Dr. Slump, where two former academic rivals, Yeo Jong-woo and Nam Ha-neul, meet again at their lowest points. Their old competition, once a source of bitterness, becomes the foundation for them to push each other to heal and grow. This is the energy you need to harness. Let your rival's existence sharpen your focus. Their success isn't a threat, it's a challenge. It proves what you want is possible, and it forces you to ask yourself, how badly do I want it? But here's something really important. This is not about toxicity, it's about strategy. Experts point out that the intense pressure in South Korea's education system has led to serious mental health issues. We are not aiming for that. Your rival is a tool for motivation, not a reason to sacrifice your well-being. This is your main character arc, written in the quiet hours. This is where the story is written, not in the final exam, but in the quiet, focused hours no one else sees. This is your main character arc. This isn't about pulling endless all-nighters until your eyes are burning. Even the government in South Korea had to set curfews for study academies to stop students from burning out. This is about making your scheduled study time non-negotiable. It's the montage of your success story. Every page you turn is a victory. Every hour of focus is a step closer to your goal. When you feel like quitting, picture your rival. Picture them finishing another chapter, getting one step ahead. Feel that? That's not anxiety, that's rocket fuel. K-dramas romanticize this struggle because the struggle is where the character is forged. This is your story. You are the lead. And your character is being built right now in this moment of effort. Don't break character. Trust me, the life you want isn't going to be handed to you. It is earned. The characters we admire, from the kids in law school to the entrepreneurs in startup, all have one thing in common. They face their rivals, they embrace the grind, and they refuse to give up. Your why becomes your fuel. So here's your task. Write down all your reasons. I want my parents to be proud of me. I want to feel confident. I want to change my life. Your future self is watching. They are hoping you don't quit. They are thanking you for every hour you put in. Final message, and read this twice. The final scene isn't about the grade or the acceptance letter. It's about the person you became to get there. It's looking back and realizing you faced the competition and you did not back down. It's knowing your rival didn't just make you a better student. They pushed you to discover a strength you never knew you had. But also remember to take care of yourself, especially your mental health. Ha-neul in Dr. Slump strained herself so much with studying that she developed depression. That is a lesson for us too. The goal is to win, but not at the cost of your own peace. True victory is building a life where you are both successful and healthy. And trust me, you're capable of becoming that version of you. You just have to start. Go get it.